So today we will discuss about this molar conductivity. Okay, molar conductivity. So in last lecture we have studied about the general electrical conductance means what, which is represented by capital G. Electrical resistance means what, which is represented by capital R. Okay, their representation, their SI, उनके units जो है, okay, वो देखे हम लोगों ने. Conductivity देखा हम लोगों ने, which is represented by small k. Okay, resistivity, which is represented by rho. Okay, their formulas, the relationship between the conductivity and resistivity. Okay, that also we have seen. So today we'll discuss about the molar conductivity. Now the term is given as a molar conductivity. Why? Because right now we are more interested in chemistry. We are more interested about the solution. Okay, so solution consists of how many moles, okay, and how many ions are present, okay, how many ions are present in terms of moles, okay, in terms of moles, and that's why this conductivity will be in terms of molar conductivity. So the electrolytic conductivity is not suitable for comparing. So electrolytic conductivity is not suitable for comparing the conductivities of different solutions. So the conductivity of solution depend on the number of ions present. Okay. So conductivity of a solution, this is very important. So conductivity of any solution, okay, conductivity of a solution, it depends, okay, it depends on the ions. And what is that? The number of ions. Okay, कितने number of ions है उस solution में, ओके, कितने नंबर ऑफ आयंस है उस सॉल्यूशन में, और नंबर ऑफ आयंस किसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है, हाउ मेनी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ नंबर ऑफ आयंस, दिस विल बी प्योरली डिपेंड्स ऑन इट्स डिसोसिएशन. बराबर है ना, डिसोसिएशन अगर कंप्लीट होगा तभी आयंस ज्यादा होंगे, और नंबर ऑफ आयंस ज्यादा होंगे तभी उसकी क्या हो सकती है, कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन वो ज्यादा हो सकती है. कल देखा हम लोगों ने, ओके, कंडक्टिविटी वन देखा हम लोगों ने, मेटल कंडक्टिविटी देखा है, and second conductivity is what, electrolytic conductivity or ionic conductivity, where the transfer, okay, transfer of matter takes place, okay, through the ions. Okay, but in case of metallic conductivity, this conductivity is only due to the transfer of electron. बराबर है, जब इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर होते हैं, that time the conductivity we get is what, the metallic conductivity. But when we talk about electrolytic conductivity, there is a transfer of ions, okay, there is transfer of matter, okay, in terms of ions takes place. So formation of more ions will be more electrolytic nature, more electrolytic nature, number of ions will be greater, उसकी conductivity क्या होगी, increase हो जाएगी. So this conductivity is depends on the number of ions present in unit volume of a solution. Okay, number of ions, okay, are present, okay, in a solution. So ions present in a unit of solution, the solution of higher concentration contains more ion. अगर देखो concentration अगर ज्यादा होगा, high concentration, so in short I will write down, okay, high concentration means what, more number of ions. Okay, high concentration means what, more number of ions will be there. Okay, more number of ions will be there. Okay, and exhibit higher conductivity, and it will exhibit higher conductivity. So conductivity क्या होगी, ज्यादा होगी, high conductivity will be there. Okay, so less concentration, less number of ions, less conductivity will be there. Okay, so आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो, similar as for lower concentration you can write less number of ions, and if less number of ions will be present, so less conductivity will be there. So the scientist, this German physicist, okay, Kohlrausch, he introduced the term called as the molar conductivity. So this molar conductivity, which is denoted by the lambda, okay, which is denoted by lambda, okay, lambda से denote करते हैं, okay, this is the representation of this symbol lambda. Okay, so lambda book में थोड़ा सा गलत, थोड़ा सा वो अलग है, okay, ये होता है lambda symbol. Okay, so this molar conductivity which is represented by lambda, so molar conductivity of an electrolytic solution, okay, is a electrolytic conductivity. Okay, it is what, electrolytic conductivity. So I will write here molar conductivity. So I will write here molar conductivity, in short, molar conductivity of an electrolytic solution, of an electrolytic solution, of an electrolytic electrolytic solution, electrolytic solution, okay, is the electrolytic conductivity is electrolytic conductivity, electrolytic conductivity, conductivity divided by the concentration. Okay, so conductivity divided by concentration, so divided by concentration of solution. Okay, so divided by the molar concentration. Okay, concentration of solution, that will be what called as a molar concentration. एक बार फिर से देखो यहाँ पे. Okay, so what we are dealing with, हम लोग डिस्कस किसके बारे में कर रहे हैं, मोलार कंडक्टिविटी के बारे में. ओके, सो मोलार कंडक्टिविटी, वी नो दैट कंडक्टिविटी of a solution is purely depends on the number of ions के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है. एंड इफ द नंबर ऑफ ions will be more, कब हो सकते हैं, जब उसका जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है वो ज्यादा है. मीन्स if higher is the concentration, more is the number of ions, and more is the number of ions, more will be the conductivity, higher will be the conductivity of that electrolytic solution. जो भी solution बन रहा है electrolytic solution, उसकी conductivity क्या हो जाएगी, increase हो जाएगी. Okay, so the molar conductivity, what this molar conductivity, that is lambda, is given by electrolytic solution. Okay, for a electrolytic solution, it is what electrolytic conductivity divided by the molar concentration. So lambda is given by, lambda is equals to K by C, lambda is equals to K by C. What is K? K is the electrolytic conductivity. K is what? Electrolytic conductivity, and divided by molar concentration. Molar concentration is what? C. Molar concentration. How much is the concentration of a solution is that? Okay, it will be depends on this, the molar concentration. Okay, कितना उसका molar concentration है electrolytic solution का. Okay, and how much will be its electrolytic conductivity, that will be defined by what? Molar conductivity. समझ में आया सब लोगों को कि molar conductivity क्या है? So molar conductivity is equals to the electrolytic conductivity divided by its molar concentration. Okay, its molar concentration. So the SI unit of K हम लोगों ने कल डिराइव किया है. What is the SI unit of K? That is Siemens. Siemens meter inverse. Okay, Siemens meter inverse is the unit for a K, and the unit for a C. Okay, concentration ये होता है moles. How many number of moles are present? Okay, how many number of moles are present? That is meter raised to minus 3. So once again look at this. K is the electrolytic conductivity. Okay, which unit is Siemens. हम लोगों ने कल derive किया है. Siemens is what? That is omega inverse. Siemens into meter raised to minus 1, and this concentration, molar concentration is what? How many number of moles are present in a meter cube? Okay, meter cube. So what will happen, this will get cancelled, and the unit, okay, the SI unit of lambda क्या हो जाएगा, ये देखो यहाँ पे ये मीटर चला जाएगा ऊपर में, and the unit of lambda will be Siemens. Okay, Siemens, this meter square, ये देखो ऊपर में चला जाएगा, मीटर क्यूब है ऊपर में जाएगा. Okay, like this, मीटर रेस टू माइनस 1, और ये प्लस 3 हो जाएगा. ओके, और ये जो मोल है ये भी ऊपर में चला जाएगा, मोल इनवर्स में चला जाएगा. सो व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ लैम्बडा? द मोलार कंडक्टिविटी unit is Siemens. Okay, meter square and mole raised to power minus 1. So in this way, this is the unit of molar conductivity, Siemens meter square mole inverse. So common unit employed for molar conductivity, or common unit for molar conductivity is, okay, is Siemens inverse, because sorry, Siemens is what? It is omega inverse. Okay, omega inverse. So centimeter square and mole inverse. So what is this? This is the common unit. This is a common unit which is employed for the molar conductivity. Okay, common unit for a molar conductivity. समझ में आया सब लोगों को what is molar conductivity? Okay, समझ में आया सब लोगों को what is molar conductivity? So we are representing molar conductivity, that is in terms of moles. Okay, for electrolytic solution, for any electrolytic solution. Okay, so for electrolytic solution, it is represented by electrolytic conductivity divided by the molar concentration. Molar concentration. Electrolytic conductivity is Siemens meter inverse, and molar concentration is moles into meter raised to -3. Okay, in this way we have got this. So to understand the significance of lambda, consider a volume of a solution containing 1 mole of dissolved electrolyte. Okay, so the molar conductivity is electrical conductance generated by all the ions in 1 mole of electrolyte. Okay, so we will understand this. हम लोग इसको समझ लेंगे कि ये क्या है. Okay. So molar conductivity, okay, molar conductivity is what? It is the electrical conductance. It is the electrical conductance. यानी कितनी, because conductivity, this word is related with what? Conductance. So this is what? Electrical conductance. It is related with the electrical conductance generated by all the ions. Okay, generated by all the ions. कितना electrical conductance यहाँ पे generate हो रहा है? Generated by all ions, okay, all the ions in 1 mole of electrolyte, in 1 mole of electrolyte, in 1 mole of electrolyte. तो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए कि what is this. Okay, what is this? So molar conductivity, it will be what? It is electrical. It is what? It is electrical conductance generated by all the ions which are present in electrolytic solution. इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सॉल्यूशन में जितने भी नंबर ऑफ आयंस है वही तो रिस्पॉन्सिबल है क्या करने, क्या प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए? इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टेंस. बराबर है, इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टेंस होने के लिए these ions are responsible which are present in 1 mole of electrolyte, which are present in 1 mole of the electrolyte. So the conductivity is electrical conductance. Conductivity is what? It is the electrical conductance due to all the ions in 1 centimeter cube of a given solution. So we'll write this, बहुत important है. Okay, so conductivity is what? It is the electrical conductance. Conductivity is what? It is the electrical conductance. Okay, conductivity is what? It is the electrical conductance. Okay, due to all the ions, due to all ions in 1 centimeter cube, in 1 centimeter cube of given solution, in given solution. Okay, and what is molar conductivity? Okay, ये दोनों भी देखो आप, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, कंडक्टिविटी सिंपल इसमें डिफाइन किया है और यहाँ पे मोलार कंडक्टिविटी, दैट इज लैम्बडा को डिफाइन किया है. यहाँ पे देखो, molar conductivity is what? It is the electrical conductance generated by all the ions which is present in electrolyte solution in 1 mole of electrolyte. 1 mole of electrolyte. Okay, 1 mole of electrolyte में कितने नंबर ऑफ आयंस है जो क्या कर रहे हैं? इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टेंस कर रहे हैं. ओके, बट कंडक्टिविटी इज व्हाट? in general electrical term, in conductivity is what? It is the electrical conductance. It is the electrical conductance due to all ions in 1 centimeter cube of a given solution, in 1 centimeter cube of a given solution. तो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. ओके, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए that what is the conductivity and what is molar conductivity. दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? दोनों भी क्या है? इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टेंस ही है, बट ये किस में है? This is by all ions, okay, in 1 mole of electrolyte. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. That is what? 1 mole of electrolyte में जो भी कंडक्टेंस होने वाला है, इसी के लिए उसको क्या बोलता है? उसको क्या बोला जाता है? मोलार कंडक्टिविटी बोला जाता है. And what is the conductivity? Conductivity is what? It is in 1 centimeter cube of a given solution. 1 centimeter cube of a given solution. So 1 centimeter cube of given solution यानी सपोज ये है, सपोज एक क्यूब, बराबर है. एक क्यूब अगर मैंने बनाया यहाँ पे, ये क्यूब ऐसे बनाया मैंने यहाँ पे, और मैंने भी इसको डिफाइन कर दिया. ये क्या है? 1 सेंटीमीटर है, ये 1 सेंटीमीटर है. ओके, लेंथ है, ब्रेथ है, एज वेल एज दिस इज 1 सेंटीमीटर. तो ये देखो, ये क्या हो गया? this will form a cube, this will form a cube, and whatever the solution which will be filled here. Okay, so this 1 centimeter cube of the given solution is, उसमें कितने नंबर ऑफ आयन से, ओके 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में कितने नंबर ऑफ आयन से, एंड दैट आयंस are creating how much electrical conductance, that will be simple conductivity. Okay, but molar conductivity is related with the number of moles. If 1 mole of electrolyte, okay 1 mole of electrolyte लिया हम लोगों ने, okay 1 mole of electrolyte लिया, अभी ये 1 mole of electrolyte में कितने number of ions है, how many number of ions are present, okay how many number of ions which are present, that number of ions that will generate the electrical conductance, that will be called as a molar conductivity. I hope it is very clear. Okay, with the help of this diagram and with the help of this explanation, ये आपको समझ में आया होगा कि मोलार कंडक्टिविटी क्या है और सिंपली कंडक्टिविटी क्या है. समझ में आया सब लोगों को? ओके, मोलार कंडक्टिविटी इज रिलेटेड विद दिस 1 मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. ओके, सो 1 मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट अगर कोई लिया हम लोगों ने, ओके और उसमें कितने नंबर ऑफ आयंस है, एंड दैट नंबर ऑफ आयंस that are generating this electrical conductance, that will be a molar conductivity, that will be this lambda, that will be this molar conductivity. एंड व्हाट इज कंडक्टिविटी के, कंडक्टिविटी हम देखो हमने कल देखा है कंडक्टिविटी के, सो कंडक्टिविटी के इज व्हाट, हाउ मच इज द कंडक्टेंस, हाउ मच विल बी द इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टेंस ड्यू टू द ऑल आयंस, जो आयंस प्रेजेंट है यहाँ पे किसमें 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में कितने नंबर ऑफ आयंस प्रेजेंट है, एंड दैट नंबर ऑफ आयंस जो कंडक्टेंस जनरेट कर रहे उसको बोला जाता है कंडक्टिविटी. समझ में आया सब लोगों को? ओके, so now we will find out the relation between, now we will find out the relation between k and lambda. K और lambda में relation find out करेंगे. Okay, so what is the relationship between this k and lambda? Okay, so already we have written the equation, हम लोगों ने already equation लिखा हुआ है. Okay, already हम लोगों ने relation निकाल ही दिया है वैसे, that we have already written. Okay, हम लोगों ने अभी just लिखा हुआ है. So I will write relation between, okay k is a conductivity, okay k is a conductivity, and lambda, okay lambda is molar conductivity. समझ में आया सब लोगों को? तो जस्ट अभी हम लोगों ने लिखा हुआ है that lambda is equals to, okay it is k by c लिखा हुआ है हम लोगों ने, okay k by c. so k is a conductivity हम लोगों ने बोला हुआ है, okay conductivity बोला है हम लोगों ने, सीमेंस मीटर इनवर्स में है उसका यूनिट. ओके, और दिस इज अ मोलार, दिस इज अ concentration. Okay, molar concentration, c is molar concentration. molar concentration यानी क्या होता है, how many number of moles are present in meter cube. okay, how many moles are present in meter cube. अभी देखो ये यूनिट जो है मीटर क्यूब, इसकी जगह पे आप दूसरा यूनिट भी लिख सकते हो. ओके, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट अभी यहाँ पे देखो ऐसा यूनिट है तो मीटर में ही हम लोग इंडिकेट करते हैं. ओके, सो this C is molar concentration. This C is molar concentration. देखो सॉल्यूशन में हम लोगों ने एक इक्वेशन यूज किया है टू फाइंड आउट, आई थिंक एसिड डिसोसिएशन कांस्टेंट एंड बेस डिसोसिएशन कांस्टेंट, उसमें ये वाला रिलेशन यूज किया था हम लोगों ने. क्या, दैट मोलार कंसंट्रेशन एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, बराबर है ना, रिलेशन यूज किया है. क्या होता है वो, दैट इज 1/c इज इक्वल टू v. ओके, दैट इज 1/c इज इक्वल टू v होता है, that is volume of a solution. So conductivity K is the electrical conductance of 1 centimeter cube of solution. Already लिखा हुआ है हम लोगों ने. Okay, this is for 1 centimeter cube of a solution, and V is the volume of solution. So I will introduce now. If V is the volume of solution, V is the, if the volume of solution, and this volume of solution is in centimeter cube. अगर ये volume किस में लिया हम लोगों ने, centimeter cube में लिया. Okay, so that is containing 1 mole of dissolved electrolyte. Okay, that is 1 mole of dissolved electrolyte. उसमें क्या है, 1 mole of dissolved electrolyte है. Okay, so I will write here. So V is the volume of solution, which is the volume of solution, okay, in centimeter cube, that is containing 1 mole of dissolved electrolyte. 1 mole of dissolved electrolyte, जिसमें क्या हुआ है, 1 mole of dissolved electrolyte present है उसमें. okay, 1 mole of dissolved electrolyte. okay, So electrical conductance, okay, electrical conductance is uh, each 1 centimeter portion is the volume V has a conductance K. So the total conductance, okay, total conductance of this particular volume can be represented. Okay, so lambda is equal to, देखो हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, K into V लिख सकते हैं. Okay, K into V लिख सकते हैं हम लोग. Okay, so already हम लोगों ने ये वाला ऐसा रिलेशन यूज किया हुआ है, that 1/C is equals to V. Okay, देखो मैं यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है. So K into V. So in this way, so the concentration of solution. So the concentration of solution. So concentration of solution. They have taken concentration of solution. Concentration of solution. Okay. So concentration of solution. They have taken suppose in C moles per liter. Okay. C moles per liter. Okay. Concentration किस में represent किया है? Suppose moles per liter में represent किया है. Concentration is represented in, that is C moles per liter. C is what? The concentration. Okay, C क्या है? Concentration है. तो देखो उसको हम लोग थोड़ा सा चेंज करेंगे. That is C, that is moles per liter inverse. इसको थोड़ा सा हम लोग मॉडिफाई करेंगे अभी यहाँ पे. तो देखो कैसे मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे. So now I will write here 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, 1000 centimeter cube divided by 1000 centimeter cube divided by liter. देखो 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. आपको पता होगा, बराबर है. So 1 liter is equals to क्या होता है? 1000 centimeter cube होता है. यानी हमने क्या किया? हमने कुछ नहीं किया. हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया? सेंटीमीटर क्यूब को मैंने यहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस किया. What I have done here, I have introduced centimeter cube, and because I wanted this centimeter cube, क्योंकि मुझे वॉल्यूम का रिलेशन चाहिए. मुझे क्या चाहिए? वॉल्यूम का रिलेशन. Now I will change this equation from concentration to volume. Okay, and that's why this concentration जो था मोल्स पर लीटर में था, उसको मैंने डिवाइड बाय 1000 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब किया एंड डिवाइड बाय लीटर. तो ये दोनों भी कैंसिल हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज 1 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. तो देखो यहाँ पे ये क्या हो जाएगा? लीटर ऊपर में ये यहाँ पे लीटर विल गेट कैंसल. तो बचा क्या यहाँ पे? दैट इज मोल्स पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. सो हाउ यू विल राइट इट? दैट इज सी divided by, okay, 1000. C divided by 1000. This is in terms of mole. Okay, this is in terms of moles. Okay, और ये देखो 1000 और ये हो जाएगा सेंटीमीटर क्यूब है ना. ये ऊपर में जाके क्या हो जाएगा? सेंटीमीटर रेस टू -3 in this way. So the volume V of a solution. Okay, consider the volume. So consider that what we are doing right now, we are converting the concentration. We are converting the concentration of solution, okay, in terms of volume. Okay, in terms of volume we are changing. So the volume V of a solution in centimeter cube containing 1 mole of electrolytic will be the reciprocal of concentration. So already मैंने लिखा हुआ है वहां पे. Okay, so the volume will be equals to now reciprocal of the concentration. Reciprocal of the concentration of the solution. Reciprocal of the concentration. Okay, reciprocal of the concentration. So in this way it can be represented. देखो अभी concentration को कैसे represent किया है? That is C into mole divided by 1000. Okay, that is into centimeter cube. Now we will write it. Okay, now we will write it. So that is equals to C divided by 1000. Okay, divided by 1000. Okay, और ये क्या हो जाएगा? मोल में मोल इनवर्स हो जाएगा. दैट इज मोल इनवर्स हो जाएगा. और ये जो है सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, दिस विल बी राइट नाउ अ सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. ओके, सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. सो राइट नाउ लुक एट दिस. क्या मिला हमें? वॉल्यूम मिला. ओके, वॉल्यूम मिला. तो वॉल्यूम हमें किस में मिला? वॉल्यूम हमें मिला दैट इज सेंटीमीटर क्यूब पर मोल के टर्म में मिला. बराबर है. So volume we have got in terms of centimeter cube per mole. What is this volume? ये किसका वॉल्यूम है? ये वॉल्यूम है इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सॉल्यूशन का वॉल्यूम है. ओके, जिसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कितना है? C is the concentration. C is the concentration that is in terms of moles per liter. Concentration, how many number of moles which are present in a liter, and volume is how much is the volume that is in centimeter cube. okay, for 1 mole, okay, for 1 mole. So centimeter cube per mole is the volume. So substituting this value, okay, substitute karo value, okay, substitute this value, आप सब्स्टिट्यूट आप वैल्यू कर सकते हो, ओके, एंड यू कैन नाउ फाइंड आउट. सो लैम्बडा इज इक्वल्स टू, देखो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है हम लोगों ने k इंटू वी. लैम्बडा इज इक्वल्स टू दैट इज k इंटू वी. सो k मल्टीप्लाई बाय v. v की वैल्यू क्या है? वैल्यू ऑफ v इज 1000 divided by c. Okay, 1000 divided by c. So in this way you will get the relationship. Okay, in this way we have got the relation between lambda is what? Lambda is molar conductivity. Lambda is molar conductivity, and k is a conductivity, and c is a concentration. Okay, c is what? The concentration. Okay, c is the concentration of the solution. Okay, concentration of the solution. Okay, concentration of the solution, and k is the conductivity. k क्या है? Conductivity. So in this way we have got the relationship between molar conductivity and conductivity. So molar conductivity is equals to conductivity multiplied by 1000 divided by c. c is what? The concentration of the solution. So based on this we'll try to solve one problem. Okay, problem number 5.1 देखेंगे हम लोग. Problem number 5.1 देखेंगे. Okay, we'll try to solve this, okay, by using this equation. Problem number 5.1. All of you look at the problem number 5.1 in your textbook. So problem number 5.1. Problem number 5.1. Okay, what they have mentioned here, the molar conductivity of 0.05 molarity barium chloride BaCl2 solution at 25 degrees Celsius is 223 omega inverse centimeter square mole inverse. What is the conductivity? Okay, तो क्या दिया हुआ है हमें? That will, okay, क्या calculate करना है हमें? We have to find out what is the value of k. We have to find out k की वैल्यू हमें निकालना है. Okay, और क्या दिया हुआ है? मोलार कंडक्टिविटी दिया हुआ है. ओके, मोलार कंडक्टिविटी यानी लैम्बडा दिया हुआ है. लैम्बडा कितना है? दैट इज 223. ओके, दिया हुआ है 223. ओके, दैट इज सीमेंस या फिर ओमेगा इनवर्स. ओके, सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर मोल इनवर्स. ओके, सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर मोल इनवर्स ये दिया हुआ है. ओके, सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर मोल इनवर्स. एंड concentration they have given, 0.05, that is moles per liter. They have given this concentration. So yes, निकाल सकते हैं हम लोग. देखो, by using that relation, that lambda is equals to, by using that relation lambda is equals to, yes, k into 1000 divided by c. What we have to find out? We have to find out k. K will be equals to lambda into c divided by 1000. So what is the value of lambda? Lambda they have given us, that is 223. That is ओमेगा इनवर्स सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर मोल इनवर्स. ओके, ये यूनिट हम लोग उसका लिखते हैं. कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कितना दिया हुआ है? 0.05, दैट इज मोल्स पर लीटर, एंड डिवाइडेड बाय this is 1000. Okay, divided by this is 1000. Okay, so 1000 into so in this way you will get the answer of the conductivity. Okay, conductivity का आंसर देखो कितना आ रहा है. तो okay, so this is centimeter cube liter minus centimeter cube. Okay, that is per liter, and here you will get the answers को solve करने के बाद conductivity देखो 0.0115. Okay, so ohm inverse Siemens inverse सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स पर सेंटीमीटर में ये इसकी वैल्यू ये देखो आप लोग चेक करो. ओके, सो दिस इज द वैल्यू. ओके, दिस इज द वैल्यू दैट यू विल गेट. ओके, फॉर द कंडक्टिविटी के लिए ये वाली वैल्यू आएगी. ओके, सो Now we'll see the variation, okay, variation of conductivity with the concentration. Okay, concentration जैसे vary होता है, तो conductivity कैसे vary हो रही है, okay, that we will see. And variation of molar conductivity, okay, simply numerical था ये वाला, okay. So now we'll see how this molar conductivity and this conductivity they are depends on the concentration के ऊपर ये कैसे dependent है, that we will see. Okay, so we'll write down variation of conductivity with concentration. Variation of conductivity. Variation of conductivity. Conductivity is for how many number of ions which are present in 1 centimeter cube. Okay, 1 centimeter cube of electrolytic solution. So variation of conductivity with concentration. With concentration. With concentration. With concentration. Okay. With concentration. With concentration. Okay. So वेरिएशन ऑफ कंडक्टिविटी, ओके, किस कंडक्टिविटी की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग, यू शुड बी वेरी क्लियर, इट इज व्हाट, स्मॉल के के बारे में. दिस इज नॉट अ मोलर कंडक्टिविटी. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ दिस कंडक्टिविटी. कंडक्टिविटी इज दिस इज द इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टेंस. This conductivity is what? This is the electrical conductance due to all the ions which are present in 1 centimeter cube of the electrolyte solution. एक सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट सॉल्यूशन में कितने नंबर ऑफ आयन्स है उस सॉल्यूशन में, ओके, तो वो होता है कंडक्टिविटी. ओके, नाउ हाउ दिस कंडक्टिविटी विल वैरी, ओके, बाय चेंज इन अ कंसंट्रेशन. कंसंट्रेशन जब चेंज हो जाएगा, ओके, तो इस कंडक्टिविटी क्या होगी, डिक्रीज होगी, इंक्रीज होगी, दैट वी विल सी. So electrolytic conduction, we have electrolytic conductivity is electrical conductance of unit volume, okay, 1 centimeter cube of solution, and it depends on number of current carrying ions. Okay, so I will write here this electrolytic conductivity. So I will write here electrolytic conductivity. Electrolytic conductivity, this K, is depends on number of ions. Okay, depends on number of current carrying ions. So it depends on number of current carrying ions. Current carrying ions. अभी ये जो करंट कैरिंग आयंस है, ओके, वो किसमें कौन सी क्वांटिटी में, 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब के लिए. ओके, फॉर 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, फ्रॉम 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ऑफ सॉल्यूशन में कितने नंबर ऑफ आयंस है. ओके, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट नंबर ऑफ आयंस. ओके, डिपेंड्स ऑन नंबर ऑफ आयंस विच आर प्रेजेंट. देन ऑन डाइल्यूशन, जब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, उसको डाइल्यूट करेंगे, ऑन डाइल्यूशन यानी डाइल्यूट करेंगे अगर सॉल्यूशन को हम लोग. ओके, सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ आयंस विल इंक्रीज एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ इंक्रीज द डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन. तो जब whenever we dilute this electrolytic solution, the number of ions will increase. On dilution, number of ions will increase. In short, I will write down, in the number of ions will increase, and due to this number of ions will increase, it will result into increased degree of dissociation. Okay, so this will increase degree of dissociation. I will write simply alpha. Alpha is what? Alpha is a degree of dissociation. Alpha is what? Degree of dissociation. Once again, look at here. Okay, so we are finding out what is the variation of conductivity K, electrolytic conductivity. Okay, not a molar conductivity. It is what? Electrolytic conductivity. Okay, so there is a difference between electrolytic conductivity and molar conductivity. अभी just देखा हम लोगों ने difference क्या है. तो now we want to find out how much or how it will vary, how this electrolytic conductivity will vary with respect to concentration. तो देखो concentration जो है, okay, electrolytic conductivity, this is purely depends on number of current carrying ion. अभी जो number of current carrying ion 1 centimeter cube में जो है, that we define as the electrolytic conductivity. अगर देखो डाइल्यूट करेंगे अगर सॉल्यूशन को, अगर डाइल्यूट करेंगे तो नंबर ऑफ आयंस इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे, बराबर है. ऑन डाइल्यूशन द इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सॉल्यूशन, अगर डाइल्यूट करेंगे तो नंबर ऑफ आयंस इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे. As number of ions will increase, it will increase the alpha. Degree of dissociation will also increase. Okay, so degree of dissociation will increase, and increase in total number of ions. Okay, and increase in total number of ions is not in a proportion of a dilution. An increase in total number of ions is not in proportion of the dilution. यानी वो dilution की इसमें proportion नहीं है. And therefore the number of ions per unit volume of solution. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, this is very important. That is number of ions. If we talk about number of ions, okay, per unit volume, okay, per unit volume, per unit volume, per unit volume, number of ions per unit volume of solution, per unit volume of solution. Okay, तो ये क्या हो रहा है, ये डिक्रीज हो रहा है. Okay, so the number of ions per unit volume of solution, that is decreases, that is decreases, ये decrease हो रहा है. Although we are saying the number of ions is increasing, but the number of ion is increasing, it is not increasing by the factor of 10. इसका मीनिंग है वो डायरेक्ट फैक्टर ऑफ 10 से नहीं इंक्रीज हो रहा है. जैसे सपोज कोई वैल्यू है 10⁻23, तो वो डायरेक्टली 10⁻25 26 ऐसे नहीं हो रहा है. वेरी लेस फैक्टर से वो चेंज हो रहा है. ओके, एंड दैट इज द रीजन दैट द नंबर ऑफ आयंस पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम. ओके, अगर पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम अगर हम लोग निकाले, ओके, फॉर पर्टिकुलर वॉल्यूम के लिए निकाले, तो फॉर दैट सॉल्यूशन द नंबर ऑफ आयंस इज डिक्रीजिंग. ओके, नंबर ऑफ आयंस आर व्हाट, decreasing. Okay, so this result in decrease of conductivity. So this result in, so this results in a decrease, this results in a decrease in conductivity, decrease in conductivity, this result in decrease in conductivity. यानी डायल्यूशन किया तो क्या हो गया, डिक्रीज हुआ कंडक्टिविटी. with decrease in concentration of solution, decrease in conductivity with decrease in concentration of solution. So once again look at it. On dilution, जब भी हमने dilute किया इस solution को, so number of ions has increased and degree of dissociation has also increased, but per unit volume, this number of ions, they will decrease, and due to this decrease in the number of ions per unit volume, this results in a total decrease in conductivity, and this will with the decrease in concentration of solution. क्योंकि अगर हम लोग उसको dilute कर रहे हैं, देखो dilute कर रहे हैं, we have learned this concentration, बराबर है, concentration उसका क्या हो जाएगा, decrease हो जाएगा. So when we are diluting the particular solution, its concentration will decrease, बराबर है, its concentration will decrease, and as the concentration will decrease, the conductivity will what, देखो मैं अभी उल्टा जा रहा हूँ, उल्टा इसमें उल्टा देख रहे हैं हम लोग, क्या हो रहे हैं, on dilution there will be decrease in the concentration of the solution, and as there will be decrease in the concentration of solution, there will be decrease in the conductivity on a dilution. So this is the variation that will occur. Okay, they have explained with the help of example से उन्होंने ये explain किया हुआ है. Okay, so we'll see the second part, that is the variation of molar conductivity, with the concentration. Okay, with concentration. Now we'll see for molar, इसके लिए देखेंगे हम लोग. Okay, molar conductivity के लिए देखेंगे variation of molar conductivity with concentration. Okay, so variation of molar conductivity with concentration. So this is for what, variation of conductivity K, okay, with concentration. Now we'll see variation of molar conductivity, variation of molar conductivity with molar conductivity, that is what, lambda, with concentration, concentration, what will happen to the molar conductivity. Okay, molar conductivity को क्या होगा, when the lambda, what will happen to lambda, okay, as the concentration is changing. So we have studied that what is the molar conductivity. Molar conductivity is what? It is purely depends on what? The number of ions, okay, total number of ions that will create the conductance, okay, the electrical conductance that will cause due to the total number of ions, due to the total number of ions which are present, okay, which are present in the 1 mole of solution. 1 mole of solution में जितने 1 mole of solution में how many number of moles are present, and due to that number of moles the electrical conductance will cause, and this electrical conductance which will cause due to this number of ions which are present in 1 mole of the electrolytic solution. 1 mole of electrolytic solution में उसको बोला जाता है molar conductivity. So molar conductivity is the electrical conductance, okay, it is the electrical conductance of 1 mole of an electrolyte given in a volume of a solution. So the increasing number of ions, okay, the increasing number of ions produced, so I will write here increasing number of ions, increasing number of ions, okay, produced in a solution, produced in a solution, produced in a solution, produced in a solution by 1 mole of electrolyte, by 1 mole of electrolyte, by 1 mole of electrolyte, 1 mole of electrolyte, 1 mole of electrolyte lead to increase molar conductivity, lead to increase, lead to increased molar conductivity, lead to increase molar conductivity. So the molar conductivity is the electrical conductance of 1 mole of an electrolyte in a given volume of a solution. So the increasing number of ions, okay, increasing number of ions produced in a solution, produced in a solution by 1 mole of electrolyte lead to increase molar conductivity. So the number of ions, okay, there if there will number of ions are increasing, okay, number of ions are increasing, okay, by its concentration, okay, concentration, so concentration बढ़ेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, that will produce more number of ions, and as that will produce more number of ions, and this will lead to the increased molar conductivity. Molar conductivity will increase, okay, so molar conductivity will increase. So this is what the simple way, the variation, okay, variation. तो हम लोगों ने देखा क्या, how the variation of electrolytic conductivity versus concentration, and molar conductivity versus concentration, okay. Now we will try to plot the graph, okay, for the strong and weak electrolyte के लिए हम लोग देखेंगे, okay. Now variation of molar conductivity with concentration, okay, variation of molar conductivity, okay, with concentration, that we will see. The variation of molar conductivity with concentration in case of strong and weak electrolyte, okay, will be quantitatively different, okay, that will be quantitatively different. And what is that? That we will see. That is variation of molar conductivity with concentration, okay, देखेंगे हम लोग, okay, same heading. So for first case देखेंगे, for first case, okay, under this heading variation of molar conductivity with concentration, क्योंकि वो डिपेंड करता है उसके नेचर के ऊपर, ओके, वेदर इट इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट और वेदर इट इज अ वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, ओके. सो वेरी फर्स्ट, for a strong electrolyte the variation of molar conductivity with concentration, okay, in case of strong and weak electrolyte is a quantitatively different. So for very first case, for strong electrolyte, okay, what is the meaning of strong electrolyte? Strong electrolyte क्या होता है? What is the meaning of strong electrolyte? Which dissociates completely. When it dissociates completely, which means what? It will form more number of ions. When it will form more number of ions, means what will happen? These more number of ions will be able to create more, or it will conduct more. Okay, it will conduct more, and due to which, okay, the conductivity will increase. So we'll see what happens in case of a strong electrolyte. So molar conductivity of a solution of strong electrolyte increases rapidly. It increases rapidly with dilution. So I will write here, that is molar conductivity, lambda. Lambda of a solution, lambda is what? Molar conductivity. Lambda of a solution that will, okay, of solution of strong electrolyte, okay, of a strong electrolyte. अगर वो strong electrolyte अगर है तो, because right now we are discussing about strong electrolyte, increases rapidly. It increases rapidly, increases rapidly, okay, with dilution, rapidly with dilution, okay, with dilution. So समझ में आया आप लोगों को? Whenever we will dilute it, okay, so whenever we dilute it, dilute means what? Dilution कर रहे हैं means क्या कर रहे हैं? Concentration को decrease कर रहे हैं, okay, concentration को क्या कर रहे हैं? Decrease कर रहे हैं. So the यहाँ पे मैं लिखता हूँ, okay, so decrease in concentration, so that you should understand, decrease in concentration, because dilution का meaning है concentration को decrease करना, okay. So for a strong electrolyte, the molar conductivity of a solution, okay, molar conductivity of a solution will increase, it will increase rapidly with dilution, okay, यानी हमने dilution किया, okay, dilution किया, decrease in concentration हुआ, okay, decrease in concentration हुआ, but as the number of ions will increase, okay, for 1 mole of that solution, okay, and due to which the lambda, okay, molar conductivity will also increase. So it approaches the limiting value, okay, limiting value for 0.001 molarity or 0.0001 molarity solution. The dilution has no effect on a molar conductivity thereafter. So maximum limiting value of molar conductivity is molar conductivity at zero concentration. So I will write here the maximum limiting value, maximum limiting value, maximum limiting value, maximum limiting value of, maximum limiting value of molar conductivity, molar conductivity, molar conductivity, conductivity, okay, is at zero concentration, okay, at zero concentration, the value is at zero concentration. जब concentration zero रहेगा, okay, when the zero, the concentration is zero, so the value of molar conductivity, it is represented by a delta, this is lambda naught, this lambda naught will indicate what? The molar conductivity at zero concentration, okay, this will represent a molar, this will represent a molar conductivity, lambda naught, okay, lambda naught, that is lambda subscript 0, this will indicate molar conductivity, this will represent molar conductivity at zero concentration, at zero concentration of solution, okay, at zero concentration of the solution. So zero concentration or infinite dilution, okay, zero concentration बोल सकते हैं आप इसको, या फिर इनफाइनाइट डाइल्यूशन बोल सकते हैं, क्या बोल सकते हैं इसको? इनफाइनाइट डाइल्यूशन बोल सकते हैं, यानी उसको डाइल्यूट कर लिया पूरा, उसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन खत्म कर दिया, ओके, जीरो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है. So the zero concentration or infinite dilution means the solution is so dilute that further dilution does not increase the molar conductivity. यानी क्या है? Beyond this, their molar conductivity is not going to increase. यानी उसको इतना डाइल्यूट कर दिया, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने जस्ट अभी देखा क्या, इन केस ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, लैम्बडा ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इट इंक्रीजेस. अब ये कब तक इंक्रीज होगा? ये कब तक इंक्रीज होगा? कब तक इंक्रीज होगा? जब तक आप उसको डाइल्यूट करते रहोगे. बट एक ऐसी कंडीशन आएगी जहां पे बियॉन्ड दैट उसको क्या डाइल्यूट करोगे आप? जब उसका कंसंट्रेशन ही क्या हो जाएगा? जीरो हो जाएगा. उसका कंसंट्रेशन क्या हो जाएगा? जीरो हो जाएगा. सो एट zero concentration, the lambda, that is molar conductivity, it reaches at particular value, and that value of lambda is called as lambda naught, lambda naught, at which at which the solution possess zero concentration. The solution possess zero concentration means what? There is a infinite dilution. For infinite dilution, for infinite decrease in a concentration, decrease हो गया concentration, पूरा zero हो गया. Okay, zero हो गया concentration उसका, means for infinite dilution, यानी solution को हमने dilute कर दिया, और dilute कर दिया, और dilute कर दिया. Okay, because we know that as we are diluting the solution, there is an increase in a molar conductivity. But ये एक particular parameter पे जाके क्या हो जाएगा? Stable हो जाएगा, बराबर है. Beyond that, our value of molar conductivity will not increase. And what is that limiting value? That limiting value is called as a zero concentration. At zero concentration, the value of lambda, this value of lambda will be maximum. The value of lambda will be maximum, and which is represented by lambda naught. समझ में आया सब लोगों को? साक्षी दिया, have you understood? Yes, समझ में आया क्या आप लोगों को? What is this lambda naught? Lambda naught is the value of molar conductivity. क्योंकि अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? सॉल्यूशन को डाइल्यूट कर रहे हैं, और सॉल्यूशन को डाइल्यूट करने के बाद क्या हो रहा है? मोलर कंडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज हो रही है, बराबर है. मोलर कंडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज हो रही है. तो मोलर कंडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज हो रही है, एक पर्टिकुलर लेवल पे जाके वो क्या हो जाएगी? स्टेबल हो जाएगी. बियॉन्ड दैट वो इंक्रीज नहीं होगी. तो वो कौन सा पॉइंट है? तो दैट पॉइंट इज व्हाट? एट जीरो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. At zero concentration, the lambda will be maximum. Lambda will be maximum, and that value will be lambda naught. उसको किससे इंडिकेट करेंगे हम लोग? लैम्बडा नॉट से इंडिकेट करेंगे. So at zero concentration, at infinite dilution, बहुत ही डाइल्यूट कर दिया हम लोगों ने. Okay. So, and the at further dilution does not increase the molar conductivity. So during 19th century, the scientists, okay, Kohlers, so with repeated experiments, showed that molar conductivity of strong electrolyte varies linearly. Okay, so molar conductivity, that is lambda, okay, lambda will vary linearly. Okay, showed that for a strong electrolyte, okay, this is for a strong electrolyte, okay, varies linearly with square root of concentration, and it is given by lambda naught. It is given by lambda naught, okay, lambda naught minus a is a constant under root c, and this equation is applicable for a strong electrolyte. किसके लिए applicable है ये वाली? Strong electrolyte के लिए applicable है. And what is that equation? Okay, so it is linearly. Okay, this equation is what? Linearly. So for a strong electrolyte, molar conductivity will vary linearly. Okay, so it will vary linearly. Okay, it will vary linearly like this. Okay, under root c is a concentration. Under root c is a concentration. A is a constant. A क्या है यहाँ पे? Constant है. और this lambda naught क्या है यहाँ पे? Lambda naught is a molar conductivity. Okay, molar conductivity at zero concentration. Molar conductivity at zero concentration. Lambda naught is a molar conductivity at zero concentration, where A is a constant. So for a strong electrolyte, a plot of lambda versus under root c. Okay, so now we'll plot the graph. Okay, हम लोग यहाँ पे graph plot करेंगे. So we'll plot a graph. Okay, we'll plot a graph for a strong electrolyte. We'll plot a graph versus lambda. Okay, lambda versus under root c. Under root c is what? The concentration. Okay, so we plot a graph of lambda versus under root c. Okay, for a strong electrolyte, so you will observe linear relation है ना? So you will observe this is a linear relation. Okay, this is a for a strong electrolyte. Okay, strong electrolyte, for a strong electrolyte. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे as the solution concentration. Okay, solution concentration. Okay, this is what a concentration. Okay, this is what a concentration, that is under root c. Under root c में है. So it is varying linearly. It is varying linearly. It is varying linearly as shown in this particular graph. Okay. Then for a weak electrolyte, we will write for a weak electrolyte. Weak electrolyte के लिए क्या हो रहा है? Okay, strong electrolyte के लिए अभी just लिखा हम लोगों ने. So for weak electrolyte, what is happening? Okay, so that we will write here. So देखो concentration जैसे जैसे क्या हो रहा है? कम हो रहा है. देखो concentration लीनियरली मीन्स व्हाट, देखो यहाँ पे कॉन्सेंट्रेशन जैसे जैसे कम हो रहा है, ऑन एक्स एक्सिस वी आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन। तो ये देखो यहाँ पे जैसी एक्स एक्सिस की जो वैल्यू कम होती जाएगी, आप क्या क्या देखोगे, क्या ऑब्जर्व करोगे, यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट लैम्बडा विल इंक्रीज, बराबर है ना, फॉर अ स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट लैम्बडा विल इंक्रीज एज द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज डिक्रीज। समझ में आया सब लोगों को, ग्राफ से समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? ये देखो ये कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है एक्स एक्सिस पे, तो ये देखो ये यहाँ इस कॉन्सेंट्रेशन पे अगर बात करोगे, ये देखो एट दिस कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू, द लैम्बडा विल बी दिस वैल्यू, ओके, ज्यादा रहेगी, ओके। सो इन दिस वे वी कैन डिफाइन, so more less is the concentration, more is the value of lambda, means molar conductivity will increase as the concentration will decrease, okay. Now for weak electrolyte, we'll see for weak electrolyte, okay, for a weak electrolyte, so the molar conductivity of weak electrolyte increases rapidly, okay, increases rapidly on dilution। so इसमें भी क्या हो रहा है, the lambda is increases on dilution, on dilution। जैसे हम लोग सॉल्यूशन को डाइल्यूट कर रहे हैं, लैम्बडा क्या हो रहा है, मोलर कंडक्टिविटी क्या हो रही है, इंक्रीज हो रही है। दिस इज आल्सो applicable for a weak electrolyte, okay। so for concentration of 0.001 molarity or 0.0000 molarity, the lambda value is lower than lambda naught, okay। so the value of lambda is lower than lambda naught। So now we will plot lambda naught, everything we will plot the molar conductivity at zero concentration। So for weak electrolyte, the variation of lambda with C is not linear, okay, but this variation is not linear, okay, this variation is not linear। So its variation, I will draw the diagram, its variation is like this, थोड़ा सा ये ऐसे आएगा graph, okay। so this is the graph for the weak electrolyte, okay, यहाँ पे मैं mention, this is for a strong electrolyte and this is for a weak electrolyte, okay, weak electrolyte। आप देख सकते हो, ये देखो strong electrolyte के लिए